Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. So you know it's Rush, the Discovery Boss, here with another new discovery, another new development. First time we're going to showcase it on the channel. We're in downtown Kingston, basically South Camp Road. We're going to check out a new development that they're saying is going to be a BPO. That's a call center, around 8 floors. I don't have much details on it. They don't have any billboard either showing details. So if you guys have more info, let me know. As usual, thanks for clicking on this video. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment as well. Subscribing is free, so that's the least you can do to support the channel. I'm now a realtor, and I have a realtor channel, Jamaica Properties for Sale. So I would appreciate if you guys subscribe as well. Even if 10,000 of you guys go over, I would love that. So I'll be posting soon. Turn on your notification bells so you can see properties that are for sale. Even if you're not buying, you may know someone that's buying. And if you're selling a property, renting a property, definitely give me a call or text or WhatsApp. All my information is in my channel description. So new development, downtown Kingston, that's what we're going to take a look at today. They're just doing foundation, so not a lot to see yet, but you know we'll do multiple videos, and once we get more details on the property, we'll share it as well. So thanks for clicking. Hope you guys had a great Christmas with food, friends, family, and just some quality time. And we're approaching the new year, so you guys stay safe so I can see you guys in 2025. So let's jump into more visuals for this video. Alright, so it's the intersection of East Queen Street and South Camp Road. That's the Michael gas station. Michael. So it seems as if they're gonna keep their original wall. Then over that side is a Scotia Bank that's now closed down. So it's a mixture, it's a Chinese contractor, so you have Chinese workers and Jamaicans. And this was a Palace Cinema location back in the days, probably before I was born. Right here on South Camp Road, Lower South Camp Road. They may keep this original wall as part of history, but this is a new construction. Based on information I got, it's gonna be a BPO, which is known as a call center. That's the booming industry, that's the main industry that's employing. So we'll track the progress of the work as usual. You know, we always have construction updates in the beginning, when it's finished, and during the course of construction. They say it should be around 7 or 8 floors, but we'll see over time. I know they're dealing with foundation infrastructure right now. So again, we're going to send up the drone. So remember to like, comment, and share. Remember to go over to my realtor channel and subscribe, Jamaica Properties for Sale. Again, that channel will showcase any property that's selling or that's renting, so definitely subscribe to that channel. I'll put the link in the comments as well. Thanks to everyone that has already gone over and subscribed, and turn on your notification bell so that when I post something you guys can see. Alright, so we're gonna send up the drone, so definitely stay tuned for that. This right here is also a new plaza. Before this, it was just an old building. You know, for some reason, I love when I see downtown getting some new life. A lot of potential is downtown, a lot of older building. That blue and red one is CSO, Central Sorting Office, for the Jamaica Postal Service. So it's kind of like their head office where all the mails go first. In terms of probably international mail. And I guess when you're sending out mail, they go there as well. I think on the second and third floor though, they have a call center, Sutherland Global Service. It's a very big building. Massive. So I think the second and third floor is a call center. Or probably only the third, I think. And that's, you know, going up South Camp Road all the way up to JDF headquarters. That's the Jamaica Defense Force. But the building we're focusing on today is that old Palace Cineplex head office. So construction is happening over there. It has been vacant for years upon years, and now it's getting some new life injected. Again guys, leave your thoughts, leave your comments, and if you have more details on the construction, I would love to hear.